about see down in there? There's the broccoli starting. Do you see that? That's the flower head that is the broccoli. And we have a few of those in this year. So it'll be interesting to see what we get from them. Sometimes they go well and sometimes not. I'm very pleased with my cauliflower. We've got a few cauliflower coming up here. And so far they've done pretty well. Although cauliflowers can be a bit of a problem, so they can. There's a big one there. That's about roughly, I don't know, 5 inches across at the minute, so it still has a bit to go yet. But I'm told that cauliflower is one of the most difficult to grow of the cabbage family. Onions. Now I do try and keep the weeds down, but they just come up again. So every week I'll go out and try and weed through them, but that just seems to be the way of it. And here we have some sweet corn. And I'm told now, my friend has told me that I've basically no chance of getting sweet corn. He reckons it should be in a greenhouse. So we'll see. I think he might be right, actually. And we put peas in here. And you want to know something? The birds robbed nearly all the peas. So we just have about 4 pea plants there in this one. So we'll put that down as being a disaster. And I suppose I should have had more peas put in, but well, I've some elsewhere. And it is what it is, as they say. There we go. These are the potato plants. And we've got a few of them in. Very late at getting them in, so it's probably going to be October before we'll get these out, maybe early November. But anyhow, they seem to be going well, and we've rooked some of them up. And we've a wee bit more work to do around them. So, well, we'll see how they do. And red cabbage. Red cabbage is doing well, and I got the first of the caterpillars on them. Well, not the red cabbage, but the broccolis. These broccolis here we had an infestation of caterpillars, but I got them just in time, and sprayed some Fray liquid on them, and now they're gone. But the red cabbages, they seem to do better. They don't seem to like them just as much. And we have a cone-shaped cabbage there in among them all, just to see how it does in the main plot. So that's that wee plot there, pretty much. Strawberries. These are our strawberries. Mixed results with the strawberries, because we find that there's something eating them, and I'm not quite sure what it is. See if I can get an example for you here. Let's see. No, sure as anything. When you go to look for one that is eaten, can't find it. But we have something eating our strawberries, and I'm not quite sure what to do about it. Ah, here's one here. I can see this hole here in the side of it. Look, you see here. Where are we at? Here we are. You see the track in them. So I don't know what it is. And there's another one there. You can see someone's been at it. Anyhow, we're getting 1 out of every 2 strawberries probably, so I mightn't be bothering with them next year. Either that or I'll have to put them somewhere else. Lettuces are doing well. These are the peas that the birds didn't rob, so we're doing pretty well with them. The gooseberry bush And one of my favourite herbs is rosemary. There's their onions. Chives. Parsley. Some of the parsley is bolted, so we'll have to get rid of it. More peas. And more broccoli. And again, more lettuce. A little bit of rocket, which is bolting. I'll try and slow it down a bit by just getting rid of the flowers. Whether it works or not, I don't know. And yep, blackcurrant plant as well, and among that there. It's lemon mint, so it's nice and teas. And then this is a cone-shaped cabbage. And they're doing very well, so they are. Let's see if we can just get you a bit of information. Regency pointed cabbages. So really like them, so do. And this is fennel. See if we can show you it here. That's fennel. Beautiful. I think that's dill. Chives. Sage. Absolutely love sage, but it grows like a weed. It's absolutely invasive. And we've got some French tarragon here growing up through it. Yeah. And can't remember the name of this one. Some of you might tell me what it is. But it's another herb. And then we've got a type of cabbages here. Stonehead cabbages. They're doing pretty good as well. So far so good. The sunshine and the rain has been very good this year. We've had enough sunshine. To be honest with you, I think it has pretty much wiped out the slug population, which is good. So we're not having the same problems with slugs this year, thankfully. But anyhow, maybe speak too soon there. So that's the vegetable plot. I'll just give you a better overview of it here. So that's the 4 raised beds and the little plot.